Good day to everybody, whatever time it is in the world for you guys. This is Euro 2-minute, pre-straight over, 2 bars down, 2 bars up, going straight over again. Okay, this one, if I can come back a little lower, what's it, 81 right there? All right, come on back a little bit. Right. That's about as good a place as any. It's 108 right there. Take a look at this. Free straight, long enough. 2-bar correction. Didn't really go down much. A huge move up though. Now it's going dead sideways. The rules are applied here. This is plenty long enough. Actually, this is really long. Oops. And I should have entered it down at the bottom there. I didn't. We're still sitting at 7. Back a hair. Down. Oh. Back up. Come on. See, it still hasn't broken this out right here. Now I'm at 6. There it is. Just touched it. You can see the 6A still sitting there. I still like this trade. That's in the 20 ticks, going awful slow today, but I do like it. Ooh, look what happened there. Came down to an 8-9, reversed. That makes me pause, as you saw. So we definitely have a valid entry signal. It's already in play. I'm just waiting to see what happens. Pre-straight is just, it's a long one. Yeah, I'm going to say it's actually at the end of the pre-straight. It's only a 1-bar correction, then up and down. Still a good-looking trade. Symmetry is all there, very even. Looks like it wants to go up. The next bar did go up and held its very debatable. No. Yeah, she's going sideways now. I was doing the same thing. Oh, I did go into the trade. Oh my Lord, I didn't know that. Gee, when I had that, I must have hit yes. I didn't hit here the order entry confirmation. I'm in. We'll just take a look at these two. What are they doing? And they're coming down. So you want more information on these bars. Especially in 2 minutes. I mean, 2 bars. 2 bars, it's not enough information. That's why you saw me hesitating so much. Since there's nothing else. This is coming back up a little bit. That's coming up a little bit. Silver. Yeah, I think it's going to hit the stop, though. Yeah, it's just a slow day. Again, this one here, more than the other chart. I like the symmetry of this one. Very nice. I love when you get the perfect symmetry. It just reinforces your trade. Of course, if it gets up to here and can't break, I'd be tempted to pull out, but I still think it's going to move even a little higher. The only way I can tell that is, let's go here. That's in the Australian. Oops. And that was, I'll go to the 5 minute and move this over here a little bit. Alright, so that's what it's doing in the 5 minute time frame. I don't like this at all. It wants to go back down. One more down. This is just called managing the trade. We'll go back to this one. And it's coming back there, moving the same way. Yeah, it wants to get up there though. And the other one was move this back down. I don't like that either. Okay, this is reversing back down again. So I'm going to wait for a breach. And I don't know, I'll keep these in play. I moved it well below the support right here because it had been so high. I should have probably pulled out here at a profit instead of taking a loss right down here. Still a good setup. I'm not arguing at all about this setup. Now we're going to see what happens. Watch this go all the way back up. Just to bum me out. Let's see here. Let's see. 5 tick. Up. Up. No big deal. This one here, I would enter regardless because it fits all the rules perfectly. This one here, it's debatable. You did have a big pre-trade, but again, not enough information on it. This is a trade I should not have taken, but I did because it was such a long pre-trade into it. 2-bar correction, 2 down, 2 up, and then just went sideways. I still think it's going to work. I really do. Look at that. They're both going. Yep. Now, since I see hesitation going on right there, I'd be pulling out right about here. Yeah, let's see the other one. Okay. I don't know what the target was anymore because I didn't get to capture it. That's where I pulled out. Didn't lose a dime, though. It was an even trade right there. But it doesn't know where I, yes it does, that's where I got in. Okay, so we didn't lose any money on that first trade. I pulled out, put the stop loss up. So it's nothing ventured, nothing gained. Would I have stayed with this trade with out an audience in front of me, I couldn't tell you. Probably though, because the setup in this was, they don't get much better than this. This is a very good looking setup. The other one's not, but this one is a very good looking setup. And there's the other one there that I pulled out. So again, it's not telling me where I got in, so I couldn't tell you. There was a loss on this one for sure. I don't know what it was. And same here, because it took the after shot, not the before shot. Remember, I told you I didn't have my journal open. And let's see what they're doing. Oh, yeah, this will tell us the target. Thank you, Jerry. It doesn't say it. Darn. All we know is it's right there. So it's one bar above this one here, one bar up from there. So let's see where we're at with it. And that's the target right there. That is the target. See, there's one bar up. There's where we saw it. So, yeah, target's been hit. This trade has been completed. This was a winning trade had I stayed in it. So I'm going to close it out because it's making me a little bit nauseous right now. All right, this one over here, there it goes. There's your target. So both trades I picked did hit. I just got premature on this pullback. I put my stop underneath these. I put them right about here, and it came all the way back down here. So that's what happens when you move your stops around. I normally don't ever move them, but I was just trying to show you if I was going to do a place, that's where I would have put it right there. Normally I shouldn't have done that, but they were both winners that the average trader will lose on, like I just did in front of you two. I'm not ashamed of it. It's just the way it is.